Hello, what's up YouTube? Ronix with another video, and in this video I'll show you guys how to install and use my retouching essentials action pack and my skin tone LUTs in Photoshop. I've been getting so many questions about how my actions are not working for most of you. It's because most of you are not installing the actions, and a disclaimer about these actions or my retouching essentials pack. Most of you think like when you buy and try to install these actions and you import an image into Photoshop, and when you click on the action it is automatically going to do the retouching for you. No, this is not going to be helping you do the retouching. It generally helps you to speed up the retouching process. For example, when you're doing your frequency separation, most of the times we have that procedure of maybe trying to go all over creating those various layers for dividing the frequencies into the high and low frequencies. But when you have these actions, you're simply going to click and it is automatically going to push you a step ahead towards accomplishing your retouching process faster in Photoshop. So I think that is it for that aspect of my actions and the issues most of you guys had. So let me just kick in and I show you guys how to first of all import my retouching essentials pack action in Photoshop. So what you're going to be doing, you have to first of all come into and make sure that your Photoshop application or software is open. Then if at all you don't have your actions right here, you are going to come and simply come to window, then you come to action and it's going to open for you this window right here. So in order to open the actions into your Photoshop, let me assume that you have already downloaded and you have unzipped the folder from wherever it has been stored. So the first step is making sure that you unzip the folder, and after you have been able to unzip that folder and you want to import the actions into Photoshop, you have to take into consideration where your actions have been unzipped to. And after doing that, come to window and come to action, and it is going to open this window right for you. Then the next thing is going to be coming right here. I hope you can see this option right here, and when you click on it you have an option that says load actions. When you come to load actions, look for the destination where your LUTs or your actions have been extracted to. And for this case, I'm just going to come right here and I'm going to open this folder, and here are my actions, and simply hit open just like that. And when I open, you're going to notice that it has already opened or installed the actions for me. So how these actions work, I'll show you guys how they basically work. I'm just going to merge everything for this very image, shift command E, so that I can have a base layer. So when you click and open my actions, and for those interested, you can download them using the link in the description of this very video, so that you can check them out and use them in your retouching process. So how these actions work, they don't retouch for you, they rather speed up the retouching process for you. So it is not like they're going to do the evening out of the skin tones for you or remove the blemishes for you. No, they just simply push you ahead and they help you save time you would maybe have wasted trying to create these various folders for your own. So how they work, you have to make sure that you know the bit depth of your image and come back to the actions. And when you click right here, for example the 8-bit, and you hit play, it is automatically going to push you to this option, and on this option it is whereby you reduce the blur or remove the textures or details from the image. And when you do that, come and hit OK, and it is going to proceed and create for you these with just a single click. So that helps you to save time when you're trying to do the retouching process in Photoshop. So it is more of a step ahead towards finishing your retouching process or steps quickly in Photoshop. So let me show you guys the other action right here. For example, the red reduction action. This basically helps you to reduce on the amount of reds in an image. So when you come and play it, you're going to see that it has reduced the reds in the image, and you can see that it has helped us rather color grade the image even more. So let's see another action. For example, the darken blacks. This is going to darken every detail that is black in the image. So come and play it, and you can see that it has darkened every aspect that has been a black or dark in the image. So you can come and reduce on the opacity if at all you feel like it's too much. And for those interested in this, you can as well sharpen the portraits with just a single click. So just come and play it, and you can see that it has automatically sharpened this very image. So let's see the before and after. You can see how sharp the image has turned out to look. So basically this is how the actions work. Then the other issue I've been getting from most of you guys is how to install LUTs into Photoshop. So the easiest way to install LUTs into Photoshop is by simply going to the application or where your Photoshop software has been stored on your computer. So I'm just going to come and close this right here. So for Mac, you have to go under applications. So I'm just going to come right here, and I'm going to come to my application. So you look for where your Photoshop application has been stored, and for those using Windows, it is usually on local disk C, I should say. Then look for Adobe and look for Photoshop. So when you open that application, we have where it says presets. So you look for presets and you open 3D LUTs. So you can either just get your folder after extracting it. If I told you I've bought it by using the link in the description of this video, you can simply come and drag and drop it right there, and you have to authenticate, and it's going to ask for your password, and simply put in your password, and it is going to paste those into your Photoshop. So I'm just going to close this. So if at all we come back to Photoshop and we come back to our maybe color lookup, and we look for where our LUTs have been stored. So always make sure that you restart your Photoshop. But for me, I already have my LUTs. So when you copy and paste them into your Photoshop, you're going to be able to find them under color lookup. So let me just undo this. So we're just going to come to adjustments, then you come to color lookup, and you come to load 3D LUT, and you can look for your LUTs wherever they have been stored, and simply click, and you can see what they do to the images to color grade them and make them look even better. And when you feel like the LUT is too much for your liking, you can come and reduce on the opacity. So basically this is how to install and use my retouching essentials action pack, and using my skin tone LUTs in order to color grade your images better in Photoshop. And if at all you have loved this video, don't forget to buy and purchase these LUTs and use them in your daily retouching process, and these are going to definitely change your skin retouching and color grading process in Photoshop. And those interested, make sure you check in the link that I'm going to put in the description of this video, so that you can purchase and support this channel for the free content that I've always created for you guys. Ronnix from Ronnix Photography. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in yet another tutorial. And don't forget to practice, keep creating, and keep color grading.